Hello friends, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, we're going to see how to make stuffed Shahi Dum Aloo, which is so rich and delicious, and you can enjoy it with jeera rice, pulao, or even with roti and naan. So friends, let's get started with the recipe. So here I have taken 8 medium-sized potatoes with skin peeled off. Next we need to slightly cut or trim both the ends like this, and now with the help of a peeler we need to dig the center to make cavities so that we can stuff the potatoes with the filling. So this one is done, and in the same way I will make cavities in the rest of the potatoes. And as you can see, I have made cavities in all the potatoes. And here are the bits of potatoes which were dug out, and I am not going to discard them. I will use them in the filling after these has been fried golden brown. And now I will season the potatoes with some salt. Rub the salt well all over the potatoes. Next, heat sufficient oil in a karhai, and when the oil is hot enough, we will add the potatoes one by one into the hot oil. And on medium flame, we will fry the potatoes until they are crisp and deep golden brown. And by now the potatoes are deep fried golden brown from all the sides. So I will take them off and keep them aside in a plate. Next, heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a karhai, and into it goes 1 large onion sliced, 3 large garlic pods, 1 small piece of ginger cut into smaller portion, and 1 large tomato which has been roughly chopped. And on medium flame we will saute them until they are slightly soft and turn translucent. I will season them with a pinch of salt and a pinch of red chilli powder. Mix this well. So these are done now. I will allow them to cool down and then transfer to a grinder to make a smooth paste. Next, I have taken here 100 grams of paneer or cottage cheese, and with the help of a fork, I will mash this to form crumbs. Alright, this is done. Then goes 1 small onion which has been finely chopped, some minced garlic and ginger, and 1 green chilli finely chopped. Next goes some chopped cashews or kaju, some chopped raisins or kismis, and some chopped coriander or dhaniya. For seasoning, I will add 1/4 teaspoon of salt or as per taste. Then goes 1/4 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon of roasted cumin or zeera powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper or kalimirch. And these are the dug out potato bits which has been fried golden brown. I'll cut the fried potato chunks into smaller portions and add them as well into the paneer filling. Give this a good mix, and our stuffing is now ready to be sauteed in butter. For that, heat a karhai, and into it goes around 1/2 teaspoon of butter. Let the butter melt completely, and into this goes the paneer filling. And now on medium flame we will saute them until they turn golden brown and becomes aromatic. So this is done. And now we will stuff the fried potatoes with the filling which we have sauteed in butter. And in the same way I will stuff all the remaining potatoes. So our potatoes are stuffed with the filling, and now we shall start making the gravy. For that, heat a karhai and into it goes 1.5 teaspoon of refined oil and a small cube of butter. And as the butter melts, we'll add some whole spices like 1 bay leaf or tej patta, 1 black cardamom or badi elaichi, 2 green cardamoms, 2 small cinnamon sticks or dalchini, and 3 cloves or long. Saute them for a while. And into this goes the fried onion, ginger, garlic and tomato paste. And since these are already fried and then pureed, we will saute them for a minute or so until oil starts to separate. Next, I am going to add 2 tablespoons of thick cashew paste. Mix this well. I'll add now some water to rinse off the bowl where I had kept the cashew paste. And on medium flame, we will cook the cashew paste for a minute or so until they are fried and are well combined with the gravy. And now we'll quickly season the gravy with 1/4 teaspoon of salt or as per taste, a pinch of turmeric or haldi powder, 1/4 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon of roasted cumin or zeera powder, 1/4 teaspoon of coriander or dhaniya powder, a pinch of black pepper or kalimirch, and 1 teaspoon of Kashmir red chilli powder. Now mix all the spices well. I'll add now a pinch of sugar to balance the taste and 1/4 teaspoon of my homemade garam masala powder. Give this a mix. And our gravy is well sauteed by now with all the spices. At this stage, I will add some water to form a gravy-like consistency. Give this a mix. And because we've added cashew paste, the gravy has turned out very rich, thick and creamy. And finally, I will add a handful of crushed kasuri methi leaves and some fresh cream. Give a final mix. And our gravy is now ready to be served hot. And here goes our rich, thick, creamy and delicious gravy into the serving bowl. I'll garnish with some chopped coriander leaves and a teaspoon of fresh cream to complete the gravy. And on top of this creamy gravy goes the fried aloos stuffed with a delicious filling. I'll add now some fried cashews and raisins to complete my stuffed Shahi aloo recipe. And friends, if you liked my today's video, then do subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.